humans now enjoy the privileged position of being planet Earth's only surviving dinosaurs.
In the Siberian Arctic, a chance encounter is about to rock two worlds and build a bridge between them. This is the story of a nomadic reindeer herder, an extinct baby woolly mammoth, and a team of scientists on a quest to learn her secrets.
Every ball is different.
They will attempt to reveal how she died and how she lived when mammoths still roamed the far north. Clues emerge in a high-tech